I'm Cyril Bandolo, an AWS machine learning hero from Sub-Saharan Africa.
I'm Francesco, nice to meet you guys. I am a failed chemist, that's how I like to introduce myself. And then I turned into AI and machine learning. I'm actually based in Brussels.
So I'm Virginie, I'm the manager of the modern data department. So I'm working with data scientists and so on. And I've started data science and artificial intelligence 19 years ago, when it was not that cool.
What do you think about taking your machine learning to the cloud? Does it have a bright future? What do you think about that?
To me, the cloud is democratizing access to machine learning and giving people the possibility of running things in a matter of minutes, which literally was not even conceivable. I don't know, 5-10 years ago, it was not even there.
I was using a cluster of computers, and we have to maintain it and to work with it and to be careful that everything was working fine and so on. Right now, I think I can do that with my laptop, and it will be quicker. And so the cloud has changed everything. And I think I will not be here if it was not by the cloud. I will not be doing AI in a company, and I will still be a teacher, in fact.
Imagine somebody has gone through the training and then the person would want to get a job. What kind of advice would you give to somebody who wants to get a job?
Two things which are clear differentiators when you want to have, increase your chances of finding a job in this domain. And one is get your hands dirty. So build
projects,
something. Build something, build projects. And most importantly, write about them. So writing is crazy important, right? So people really don't think about this, but in any job of any kind, at some point you will have to write it down, right? Write whatever, your piece of work in a presentation, in an email, in a wiki. So write it down. Second advice which I have is contribute to open source. That's something which really helped me to become a better software engineer. Open source is a great way interacting with people, right? And then getting to know like best practices.
Are there other skills that might be needed that maybe people don't know, beginners, and then maybe like a manager, you come to see that later in your career and say, yeah, there are other skills that were needed, like retrospect?
Most of the time, hard skills are, you can learn them, in fact. If you have to learn how to code, you will find some tutorials on the internet to learn how to do that.
Okay.
But there are some things that you will not learn. And for example, in data science, I think it's very important to be curious, to ask questions and to want to be precise and to say, okay, there are some things in the numbers and I want to understand why the numbers are this way. And it is important because it will help you to go through the difficulties and to say, okay, this is difficult, but I can do it. And you will be able to do it if you believe in yourself. So this is another advice, believe in yourself. I was believing in myself when I said, okay, I want to do AI. I think AI is important and we can do things with AI. And now I'm working in AI, so I want to say, believe in what you want to do, believe in your dreams, believe in yourself, you can do it.
Do you think somebody from Africa could be a good developer and probably be working in the cloud of AWS, maybe like somebody from Canada or from the US?
I think it is exactly the same if you are in Canada, France, Italy, or Cameroon. If you want to work on it, and if you do the trainings and so on, you will be the same. And you have the same capabilities than anyone else.
We have a super strong presence in Africa in my company. In South Africa, Ghana, and then Cameroon as well, if I'm not wrong. So we are all over the place. There is a gigantic talent pool over there. Brilliant people who want to work hard, want to get stuff done. So go for it.
That sounds great. So thanks so much. Thanks for your time.
Thanks for having us.
Yes.